Here we are going to use AI to help us answer question number 18. It says the sides of a parallelogram are 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. If one of its diagonals is 13 centimeters, then its area is. So let us type this in AI and see what it would give us as an answer. So the sides of a parallelogram are 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. If one of its diagonals is 13 centimeters, then its area is. Okay, now we also have to know what is a parallelogram. After we will take a look at it, let's see what AI is going to give us as an answer. This is the area is 60 centimeters squared. Let us see if this is an option. Apparently it is B. The answer is B. So let us read AI's explanation. It says step 1, you verify the shape using Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so the sides of the parallelogram are 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters. The diagonal is 13 centimeters. We check if these dimensions satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, which says that a squared plus b squared is equal to d squared. So 12 squared plus 5 squared is equal to 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. And 13 squared is 169. So indeed, this is a parallelogram. So since 12 squared plus 5 squared is equal to 13 squared, the angle between the adjacent side is 90 degrees. Therefore, the parallelogram is a rectangle. So it appears that this is a rectangle. So to calculate the area of a rectangle, we simply multiply the length by the width. Okay, the area of a rectangle is the product of its adjacent sides, length times width. Area is equal to length times width. Area is equal to 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters. The area is equal to 60 centimeters squared. But by the way, if you want to know what a parallelogram looks like, you can simply look it up. Parallelogram. It's a four-sided shape. It's kind of have a slanting, like a triangle, a crooked triangle, if you want to put it that way. A triangle that is leaning on one side, you want to put it that way. The four-sided shape. A rectangle, sorry. A rectangle that is basically leaning on one side. Okay, so basically length times width, and that will give you the area of the parallelogram, very similar to the area of a rectangle. Well, maybe we can even look up what is the area of a parallelogram. Okay. And check to see if this is in the list of formulas that CX is going to give you. I doubt this is in the formula. Okay, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Okay, so it's the base times the vertical height. But this parallelogram seems to be a rectangle. Okay, so that's why it's the length times width, which is the 12 times the 5. The 13 is the diagonal. The diagonal meaning the slide that is slanting. Okay. Right, the diagonal is the slide that is slanting. So that's the 13, and the height is the 5. 5 and the 12. So you put it to stand up like this, it will give you the same area as the length times the width. So the answer is B. 12 times 5.